Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Haka pratrek mentau benai rempang arajakat kendai. Kakenhon Menteri Jong Sorkar, Meghalaya Democratic Alliance, kalasong jelang banyatai halor kilai tuli kiman, kibadan kam mensimrai kergi da ke Sorkar. Kawai ni kini kiman ke balai keren, haka ni kesngi, bat rairu, haka ni kejelang kalong ban Pynkylla thamai no, ya ki Kyrteng, jong ki Katto kat ni ki Surok, haka ni ganong ba Shillong. Bat sekiwai di ki benta jong kejela, kom ya ke Surok maulai umshing, mauro mau kenrau, la Pynkylla, Shakasen Mother Teresa Road, bat kumjuru ya ki Surok kibadan haka thain laban la Pynkylla, da kiwai pat ki Kyrteng.
The committee made following recommendations regarding the changing of names, renaming or naming of roads, villages, institutions, etc. And this was taken up in the cabinet today. So the following are the names which were proposed and were passed by the cabinet. Namely, number 1, the road from Maulai, Mauro, Umshing, Mokinrio, Motwar, Nongkuliu, Mosiat Knam, Madan Mokhar under Maulai constituency was proposed to be named as Saint Mother Teresa Road. Then the following roads within Greater Laban area were also proposed to be renamed as number 1, the Howell Road Laban was proposed to be renamed as Tranghok J. Rangad Road. The number 2, Zigzag Road at Rilbong was proposed to be renamed as Ardindu Chaudhary Road. The ABP Road Batti Bazar at Laban to be renamed as Roland Lingdo Road. Silhetipara Road in Laban to be renamed as Krep Singh Swer Road. Then Jackson Trace Road at Lower Lumparing was proposed to be renamed as Mellington Karkonga Road. Then thirdly, the village Kinshi Raishan was proposed to be renamed as just Kinshi Village.
Kinshi Raishan.
Yeah. Okay. So Kinshi Raishan will now be Kinshi Village. Then fourthly, the stadium called Vicky Bandi Stadium in Tura proposed to be named as P.A. Sangma Stadium. And the road starting from Araimal Junction to the AMPT Road via Ikfai to be named as P.A. Sangma Road. Locality Dong Gordon Bhagyakul within Limekra to be renamed as Lumtingen Jai.
Hakani jelang lararu ban kentup no ya kentien male child victims of sexual abuse hapo ke Meghalaya Victim Compensation Scheme 2014. Bat kebak hadu kedai karai ban penjelan no ya kejing terikam jang ke Treasury Road, MMA Road, bat ke Meghalaya Financial Road, sya ke Arsnam kata ban sedang biang nadu ka kat arterik muta benar rempang arja ke kendai hapo ke Meghalaya Administrative of Roads and Regulations Revision Advisory Committee.
The second item which was taken up was an amendment to the Meghalaya Victim Compensation Scheme 2014. In this, the definition of the word victim as specified at para 4J of the State Victim Compensation Scheme was found not clear. Further, the Ministry of Women and Child Development Government of India had advised the state government to include the word male child victim of sexual abuse in the victim compensation scheme of the state. Right? The Ministry of Home Affairs had also advised the state government to modify the state victim compensation scheme suitably in accordance with the central victim compensation scheme in order to be eligible for financial support from the central fund. Okay. So accordingly, the Meghalaya Victim Compensation Scheme 2014 is proposed to be modified as follows. The words appearing at para 4J, which read as victim, which means a person who has suffered loss or injury, shall be substituted with the following words. Victim means a woman or girl child or male child who has suffered loss or injury caused by reason of the act. Okay. of by the act or omission due to sexual harassment, so and so forth. So the word male child victim of sexual abuse has been included in the Meghalaya Victim Compensation Scheme 2014. The third and last agenda which was taken up and discussed was regarding the extension of the term of the Administrative Rules and Regulations Revision Advisory Committee. So this committee was set up in 12th February 2016, and there were two extensions. The tenure of the ARRAC after the second extension ended on the 11th of February 2019. However, there are still some tasks that are under process, namely Treasury rules, MMA rules, Meghalaya financial rules, ACR formats for other officers and staff in the government. So in view of these works which are still in progress, and these need to be completed, the committee has been now extended for 2 more years with effect from 12th of February 2019. So the cabinet has discussed this and approved this.